This is the Sony WH-XB910N extra bass noise cancelling headphone. I think these are going to be a great choice for anyone looking for a high quality pair of headphones with good sound quality and active noise cancellation. Now, one of the standout features of these headphones is its extra bass technology, which provides a powerful, rich and deep sound that is perfect for bass heavy music genres like hip hop and electronic dance music. The bass response is controlled and balanced, and it does not overpower the mids and highs, which means that all frequencies are well represented in the overall sound profile of this headphone. Now, for the price, you get really good noise cancellation. When it's turned on, it totally blocks out background noise, allowing you to focus on your music or work without any distractions. The noise cancellation can be adjusted to your preference, so you can choose the level of noise cancellation that works best for you, and you can control all that using the included app. These headphones are very comfortable to wear even for extended periods of time. Its ear cups are well padded and the headband is also padded. Okay, now let's talk about the build quality of these headphones. I think the build quality is pretty good, even though it's mostly made from plastic. They do feel solid and well made, and they have a durable design that can withstand daily use. The ear cups can be rotated flat, so you can easily store the headphones in a bag or a backpack when you are not using them. Now, in terms of connectivity, these headphones are very versatile. They come with Bluetooth 5.0, which provides a stable and reliable connection. The headphones also come with the NFC technology, which allows you to easily pair them with compatible device by simply tapping them together. They include a 3.5mm audio jack, and a cable is also included, so you can use them with non-Bluetooth devices, or when you run out of battery, you can use these headphones in the wired mode. Now, the battery life of these headphones is quite impressive. You get up to 30 hours of use on a single charge, which should be more than enough for even the longest flights or road trips. The headphones also come with a quick charge feature, which allows you to get up to 4.5 hours of usage from just a 10-minute charge. So overall, these are an excellent choice for anyone looking for high quality headphones with good sound profile, active noise cancellation, and a comfortable and durable design. In my opinion, they offer great balance of features and performance at a pretty reasonable price. I think these headphones will satisfy an average Joe as well as a demanding audiophile.